I think you look bored.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I haven't really done anything. I was just playing a game.
You gonna help with me?
Yeah, sure. What am I gonna do?
I have a good idea.
What is it?
Just follow me.
Alright.
Let's go.
Woo!
You excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Ta-da!
Whoa! Nerf gun?
Yeah, Nerf gun better.
Wow.
How many do you have?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. 14.
Huh? That's not a Nerf gun.
No.
Which one should we use? What about this one?
Too small.
Too small? Bigger gun?
Yeah, bigger gun. Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa! Is that a sniper?
Yeah. Wow, looks cool.
And walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkie. Other.
Alright.
Let's go. Wow.
These are nice.
Wow, pretty.
Wow. Sniper.
Woo.
Whoa! Let's go battle now.
Oh, sure. Let's go better. Let's
Let's
go. Hey guys, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Jacob. And together we are Daddy and Son.
DNS.
Today we will be seeing who can knock down more of these Pokemon. The first round we will only have 1 minute to see who can knock down more. The second round we will only have 30 seconds to see who can knock down more. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Woo! Okay guys, so it's my turn. I'm gonna go first and I'm gonna see how many I can knock down. Ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, so close to Clefairy. Oh, I did Charmander, but he didn't fall down. Right over Squirtle's head. So close to the puppy. Oh, he almost fell. Right next to him, Bellsprout. I'm out. Gotta change back. Misfire. Oh, knock one. Oh, knock two. Fail. I hit Dragonite, but he didn't fall. Miss. And I'm out. Alright, let's see what I got. 1 second left. Okay guys, so it turns out I knocked down 2 of them. I knocked down Psyduck and I knocked down the puppy. As you can see, I got 2 out of a lot of them. So I think I have a good chance of beating my dad. Next up, he's gonna go. Let's go.
Okay, this time it's my turn. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, I hope my dad doesn't beat me. He has to knock down more than 2. But if he does 2, then we have to be tied. Then we're going to round 2.
Oh,
Misfire.
Oh,
punishment. Oh, misfire. Oh, so close to Clefairy. Underneath the bench. Oh, he hit the dog. Out of ammo. New clip. Start it. Oh, it pulled out. Another one. Oh, knocked down. Oh no. Oh, missed. Right next to Eevee. And he's out. 1 knockdown. Guys, it turns out I won first round. We're gonna head to second round. 3, 2, 1, go.
let's go.
Okay guys, so we're starting round 2. We will be using this new gun, No More Sniper. It will have 18 ammo in here. So whoever shoots down more targets is the winner. Alright, ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I got Squirtle! Right next to the executor. Almost hitting the Pokeball, almost next to the puppy. And finally, Rocket. And I'm done. Close. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so it turns out I knocked down 2 like last time. I knocked down Clefairy and I hit Squirtle. 2 knockdowns out of all of them. Let's see how my dad does.
This time my turn. 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, let's go. Oh, next to
enemy tie.
Alright, round 3 is gonna be machine gun. There's no time limit. We're just gonna use the whole clip. See you guys there.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so round 3, the machine gun. We'll use this whole 10 clip and see how many we can get. Whoever hits the most down is the winner. Let's go. Oh! Oh! 2 down. Oh, 3 down. Hit Evie too. And I'm out. Next up is Dad. Let's go check this out. Okay guys, it turns out I hit 3 of them. I hit Evie, I hit the dog, and I hit Bellsprout. As you can see, I hit 3 of them down out of all the Pokemon. Let's see how my dad does.
Can I speak Korean?
Yeah, sure.
I'm speak better Korean.
Alright.
자, 이번 턴 마이 턴인데 우리 아들 제이콥보다 아빠가 더 많이 맞추도록 하겠습니다. Let's go.
Alright, let's go, Appa. Oh, close.
Oh,
hit it down! Knockdown.
Oh!
Lost the Pokeball.
Oh,
Hey, Pikachu! Oh, so close. Close to Executor.
Oh!
And he's out! Hit
와.
2. Let's go.
아깝다. 저는 2 포켓몬을 맞췄어요. 그래서 제이콥이 이번 대결에서는 이겼습니다. 제가 퍼니시먼을 받게 되겠네요.
Alright guys, since I won, my dad lost, so he's gonna have to do a punishment. Keep watching to see the punishment later in the video. Okay guys, I won this battle. My dad lost against me during the Nerf battle challenge, so he has to do a punishment. The punishment is the raw egg and boiled egg challenge. Over here we have numbered eggs, 1, 2, and 3. He will pick one of these eggs, and then whatever number he picks, I will smash it on his head. Let's get started. Okay guys, it's time for the punishment. Are you scared?
I'm a strong guy.
Okay, pick a number.
Number 3.
Okay guys.
Come on. Oh!
3. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
No. Wait.
Oh my god.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
What the?
Oh my god, he got a. Oh my god.
Oh. 이거 다 날개는 아니야 이거? Number 2. Number 1. Number 1. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We are Daddy and Son.
DNS.